Welcome back to our channel, lovely viewers. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, a natural anti-aging mango face pack that will leave your skin looking youthful and radiant. Mangoes are not only delicious but also packed with antioxidants and vitamins that nourish your skin. So, let's jump right into it. Hi everyone. Today, I'll show you how to make a simple yet effective anti-aging mango face pack using just a few ingredients. This face pack will help reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and promote a healthy, youthful glow. Here are the ingredients you'll need. Ripe mango, 1 medium-sized mango, make sure it's ripe and juicy. Yogurt, 2 tablespoons. Honey, 1 tablespoon. Lemon juice, 1 teaspoon. Almond oil, 1 teaspoon, optional step-by-step instructions. Now, let's move on to the step-by-step process. Step 1. Peel and mash the ripe mango in a bowl until it becomes a smooth pulp. Step 2. Add 2 tablespoons of yogurt to the mango pulp. Yogurt is rich in lactic acid, which helps exfoliate and tighten the skin. Step 3. Add 1 tablespoon of honey to the mixture. Honey is a natural humectant that hydrates and nourishes the skin. Step 4. Squeeze in 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Lemon juice contains vitamin C, which helps brighten the skin and reduce dark spots. Optional step: if you have dry skin, add 1 teaspoon of almond oil. Almond oil is an excellent moisturizer that will leave your skin soft and supple. Step 5. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly until you have a smooth, creamy consistency. Application process. Now that our mango face pack is ready, let's move on to applying it. Step 1. Cleanse your face with a gentle cleanser to remove any dirt or impurities. Step 2. Using clean fingers or a face brush, apply the mango face pack evenly all over your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Step 3. Relax and leave the face pack on for about 15 to 20 minutes to allow the nutrients to penetrate your skin. Step 4. After 20 minutes, rinse off the face pack with lukewarm water. Step 5. Gently pat your face dry with a clean towel. Post-face pack skincare. Once you've removed the face pack, it's important to follow up with a few essential skincare steps. Step 1. Tone your skin using a gentle toner to balance the pH levels and close your pores. Step 2. Apply your favorite moisturizer to hydrate your skin and seal in the goodness of the face pack. Step 3. For added protection, don't forget to apply sunscreen before heading out, as the lemon juice can make your skin more sensitive to the sun. Conclusion. And there you have it, a simple and effective anti-aging mango face pack that you can easily make at home. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare, so try to incorporate this face pack into your routine at least once a week for best results. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more natural skincare tips and DIY recipes. Stay beautiful and see you next time.